Okay, hi guys, as I promised, this is my Madi coach. Let's unbox my Madi coach, the first bag coach. Yeah, I don't want to speak a lot, but this is, I picked the Madi coach because I think I like a small bags. I don't like too big. Yes, I think small bag is definitely really good on me. You know that the Carl Lagerfeld done, and then also Michael Kors Dom already done the video. I unboxed, and now it's the Coach Muddy. I don't know what it's the color. They said that like a Tosca color. I don't know in English. Is it like a blue greenish? They did not come with the what is called dust bag. Yeah, they did not come with the dust bag. You need to pay extra, yeah, for the dust bag, and it's not cheap. I think if I'm not mistaken, $10 or around like a half, like around $7 for only the dust bag. Just, oh, it's like a blue, a light blue. Yeah, this is Coach. Yeah, this is like blue for me. Yeah, very light blue. The tag. This Coach, and they come with the silver hardware. Yeah, this one. But this is not the original dust bag. Just like dust bag for free. They just adding it. The seller just adding it. So yeah, because I need to pay extra for the original dust bag. So this is, you can see this one. Sorry, actually I'm not okay. This one Coach. Okay, they have one. Oh, they have the care card. Is this a care card? Yeah, service care card. And then yeah, I think that it looks similar like to Dom. Yeah, similar, but the latter it's different. Okay, this is my first Coach bag. Will silver gold, silver hardware, and this is the strap, long strap. Bye, thank you guys. Please give me thumbs up and like this video, subscribe this channel. Thank you. Bye, thank you so much.